on about lighting fans. Thanks for all the subscribers, and I know I said I will be eating cat food, which I will be, but it won't be this week. It's probably going to be next week. I just don't feel like doing it this week, but wait till next week when the cat food will be eaten. Note to self, next time you do a subscribe, it'll be something crazy video. Don't offer cat food, but I'll be eating cat food next week, so. Also, announcement? None. I have more Ruffy videos will be coming on the way. If you're gonna ask what that thing is in the background, that is my dad's iPad, and the screen's reflecting on some paper I left there. That is about it. More Ruffy videos on the way, and more Total Drama videos. I did see the season day 1. You know, I got it.